As of the start of 2026, downtown Houston is undergoing one of the largest infrastructure transformations in the city's history. The project, called the North Houston Highway Improvement Project, or NHHIP, is so massive that by the time it wraps up in 2032, what we call downtown won't function the same, won't move the same, and may not even feel like the same place. 6 years from now, Houston drivers are going to experience a very different city. At the heart of this project is I-45. Right now, that interstate runs straight through downtown on what's known as the Pierce Elevated. Celebrated as an engineering marvel for its time, that same stretch has, over decades, evolved into a massive choke point, one that carries far more traffic than it was ever designed to handle. And that's not the worst of it. Just north of downtown, where I-45 interchanges with Interstate 10, the problem intensifies. The congestion there is so severe that in 2025, the American Transportation Research Institute ranked it the second worst traffic bottleneck in Houston, and the 9th worst in the entire United States. For drivers on the ground, it can feel like entering a black hole, where nothing escapes, not even time. And exaggerated as that metaphor may be, that single point of failure is what ultimately drove this entire project. While NHHIP includes many phases and moving parts, the core idea is simple. The Pierce Elevated is removed, and I-45 is rerouted around downtown instead of through it. Under the new design, drivers coming north from the Gulf Coast on I-45 will merge onto the east side of downtown, running parallel to Interstate 69. From there, traffic loops around the north side, alongside I-10, before continuing north. In other words, instead of cutting through the heart of downtown, I-45 will loop around it. But let's not get ahead of ourselves. 6 years is a long way off. Until then, the fastest way to get onto I-45 north from downtown Houston is not the Pierce Elevated. It's via Travis Street. And while it's not officially a hack, it sure feels like one. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to set yourself up on Travis Street and slip onto I-45 north. Clean, controlled, and past the worst of the mess. Let's begin. The first thing you want to do is get onto Travis Street before Commerce Street. That's the last real opportunity before you leave downtown. Technically, you can turn from Commerce Street, but it's usually congested, awkward, and easy to mess up. Beyond access to I-45 North, Travis Street also offers a direct entrance to the I-45 HOV Express Lane. Do not enter it. If you do, you risk adding a 15-minute detour to your trip. It's critical that you stay in the right lane. And just like that, you've entered the main lanes of I-45 North. If you found this video informative, like it or drop a comment below. It helps us improve future content. And if you want more routes like this, subscribe to the channel.